Hello everybody and welcome to your lesson. Today we will check on the vocabulary about outdoor activities. Actividades al aire libre. So, here we have some activities that we normally do outdoors. So, for example, boating, canoeing, rafting, camping, fishing, backpacking, hiking, mountain biking, horseback riding, mountain climbing, and here we have some items that are considered to be necessary when we are having outdoor recreation. So these objects are good, for example, going camping, but you can also take them when you are practicing some other outdoor activities. So here we have a tent, a camping tent, campfire, your backpack, your sleeping bag, a rope, camping stuff, foam pad, lantern, multi-use knife, a flashlight, an insect repellent, a fishing pole, some matches and some fishing net, the life vest, and a canteen. So, these are activities and items that we use for outdoor recreation. Now, what other activities do we do outside? Yes, so we play soccer, we surf, we go hiking, we practice golf, we go fishing, we ski, we play football, and practice skydiving. How to create a sentence using these activities? This is an example. I practice soccer outdoors. I practice football outdoors. And I practice hiking outdoors. So these are all outdoor activities. Remember to practice your vocabulary, and when you have it done, record yourself to send that recording to the platform. That's all for today. Until next time. Bye-bye.